Chicken, pasta and kale, enrobed in a lightly creamy garlic and lemon sauce and finished with a sprinkling of parmesan. This one-pot garlic chicken pasta is ready in 25 minutes, making it a brilliant midweek meal. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Kale is one of my favourite veggies, and let's be honest, if I'm serving it up with chicken and pasta, then the kids are guaranteed to eat it too. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating up a tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan. Add in a large onion that's been diced and fry gently for a couple of minutes until the onions start to go translucent. Next in goes 4 cloves of minced garlic. Give it a stir together and cook for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add in the wine. I do get a few comments about cooking with wine, so if you don't consume alcohol, then you can just leave this step out entirely. So we're just adding in a good splash of white wine, about 45ml or 3 tablespoons, which should be enough to deglaze the pan. Then we'll bring it to the boil and just let that simmer for a minute or two. Next in goes the stock. I've got 600ml or 2.5 cups of good quality chicken stock here. Now I'm going to add in the pasta. I've got 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of fusilli here, but you can use whatever pasta shapes you've got in your cupboard. Add that pasta to the pan. Then we add in 100ml, which is about 3.5 fluid ounces of full fat whole milk. Give everything a stir and bring it back to a gentle bubble. Now place a lid or some foil on the pan and turn down the heat and cook for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. I've got 2 roughly chopped cooked chicken breasts here, but this is a great recipe to use up leftover chicken from your roast chicken dinner. Add the chicken to the pan and stir everything together. Then cover that pan again and cook for another 7 to 10 minutes until the pasta is almost cooked through. Give it a stir a couple of times during cooking and you'll see that the pasta is absorbing that lovely flavourful sauce. Once the pasta's almost done, we're going to add in the kale. So in goes 140 grams, which is about 5 ounces of chopped kale. Put the lid back on and allow the kale to steam for about 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, take the pan off the heat. Now we're going to stir in a squeeze of lemon juice, about a teaspoon, and the zest of half a lemon. We're also going to add in a good pinch of salt and pepper and 30 grams or an ounce of grated parmesan. Oh my gosh, look at that. I just wish you could smell how good this is. It's going to be so delicious. This recipe serves 4, but you can easily scale it up or down depending on how many people you're serving. If you're after any more ideas for using up leftover chicken, then check out my Chicken a la King video here. I've also got a video for making homemade chicken stock, which I totally recommend that you try. Homemade chicken stock is really delicious. See you next time for more yummy recipes.